What is up guys, I hope you all are having a great day. My name is Maros and in this video I'll be giving you my thoughts and opinion on the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which is a beast of a phone, that is sure. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the video after the intro. So overall, the Note 9 is a beast phone, and I would say that is a beast made for beasts, as it is not for normal or average human beings. It is mostly used by those who really want to be productive but need a massive device so that they never run out on storage and power. That's why the Galaxy Note 9 is packing a 4000 mAh battery, which is huge for this size, and especially paired with the Super AMOLED display, it gives a full day without any troubles. Along with that, it has got 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of ROM, which is absolutely tremendous for someone who does not want to miss out on storage. Including with that, phone has very slim bezels and has a blocky design, and from the previous generation, which was the Note 8, the fingerprint has been moved to a better location and has been given a rectangular outline, which makes it perfect and really better to use and more efficient and easy for a person's finger to reach the fingerprint sensor. Including with that, the phone also comes with dual camera on the back, which shares the same interchangeable aperture feature with the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So there aren't going to be any downfalls in the images that you take with the phone. The camera is absolutely a beast, and the selfie camera is also really good, as it can provide a really good portrait mode and low light selfies without a lot of noise and without the compromisation of quality. Additionally, I would like to say that the Note 9 is a phone that if you are really serious about your work and you do not want to compromise on anything, then this phone is a must for you, as it ticks all the boxes. It has massive storage, it has a huge capacity of battery, it has a beautiful and large 6.5-inch display, which is absolutely tremendous. Along with that, the phone comes with dual cameras on the back with interchangeable lenses and a very good low light selfie performance camera. So there is no doubt that it is going to lose on anything. But the key feature of this phone, which makes it different from all the other beasts or other productive phones or any other Samsung or non-Samsung flagship, is the S Pen. And it has been upgraded, as it now has the Bluetooth function, which allows the users to use the pen in a whole new level, as you can even take pictures, as it has an onboard button on the S Pen. You can even use it while you are giving presentations to make it more comfortable and better looking, and a lot of other uses. It also has some better build quality, and especially the blue color along with the yellow S Pen, a big beast. And the company has collaborated with Fortnite, so this gives this phone a gaming look too. So if you want a high-end gaming phone but you want to look it slim and does not want to give off the gaming feels or the gaming vibes, you can go with this phone, as it checks all the boxes and is way too much for gaming. PUBG maximum settings, Fortnite maximum settings with 60 FPS, which is pretty dope for a phone like this. So in the end, I would like to give you my thoughts. So this phone is not for everybody, that is confirmed, and everybody is saying that. But the phone is really meant for people who are extraordinary, special, or they want to do their daily tasks and gaming needs or even camera needs a little bit different from other people. And it is especially the phone for those who have got endless amounts of money, as it would set you back above $1,000 for the highest specifications, which most of the people will go, as it is the best in its kind. So in the end, I will only like to say that this phone is pretty good, and if you're looking for a gaming phone, there are other options just like the Xiaomi Black Shark, the Razer phone, and the Asus ROG gaming phone. But still, this one provides a non-gaming look with slim bezels, slim design, but still provides the same features and performance in gaming just like the other ones. So overall, this phone is a pretty beast phone, and for the price, it is a must-have, but for only special people. So that rounds up today's video, guys. I hope you had a great time watching the video, and if you really liked the video, please be sure to give a thumbs up, and if you disliked it, hit that dislike button, and if you really love the channel, please do subscribe as it helps a lot, and I will catch you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and keep tapping.